Hi friends, we have gathered here to talk about the very important issue of globalization. Shall we start? We shall discuss about globalization in two aspects, that is the prospective aspects as well as the negative aspects. We'll divide ourselves into groups and then discuss about it. So, shall we start? The discussion should have both the positive and the negative points. So, are you friend ready? Now, first of all, what is globalization? And what are the benefits of globalization?
Because of globalization, the economic growth is also increased and unemployment problem is also solved because of globalization. So I feel that globalization is necessary.
Okay, that's fine. What are your views about it?
I personally feel that globalization divides the population of the world into three different groups. They are the rich people, the middle class, and the poor people.
Okay, that's also right in a way what you say. I too agree about it. But anyhow, you must also remember that globalization gradually destroys the cultures, the languages, and it prevents us from thinking very differently.
Don't say like that. Globalization has also got a lot of benefits to be discussed. We are getting used to live comfortably. We can get another country's product even if we live in some other country.
Do you know that without globalization, it is impossible to get all the branded materials from different countries? For example, we use Apple products, McDonald's, BMW, and so on.
But remember that without globalization, it is impossible to get all these branded commodities around the world.
I agree to you, but it prevents the local market. Do you know that?
Yes, the small companies are a great loss because of globalization. They tend to lose their market and are unable to sell their products in local places. Because the main reason is that these small companies cannot compete with the price of those companies.
But you know, nowadays people can buy products from all over the world even without leaving their countries.
Just try to analyze that globalization is just a tool for multinational companies to make maximum profit. People even lose their jobs and life because the company decides to move to another country where they can get jobs done at a cheaper price.
Okay, fine. Let us come to a bit of conclusion. I would like to say that a coin has two sides. So, globalization is also just like a coin. It has more beneficial effects as well as negative effects also. But to keep up the trend of the modern business world, it is very much that we have to accept globalization and move in terms of growth